Today I'm going to be overviewing Ricoh's new colour A3 MFP range. This one here is the 45 page per minute device, and these devices have been manufactured purely with sustainability and environmental issues in mind. For example, the devices are now manufactured with 50% post-consumer recycled waste, and that's 10 times more recycled plastic than we have in our current models and is class leading in the market. Some other environmental benefits of the technology is it uses different toner composition, and that means that the device fuses at a lower temperature, it's about 14 degrees lower, and that saves in energy costs and consumption. So this device, for example, has a very low sleep mode of 0.32 watts and a typical energy consumption value of 0.45 kilowatts per week. We're going to have a look now at the device itself. So a couple of things to note on it is the document feeder here has been improved. It scans images at 300 images per minute, which is really fast in the market, and also the guides can be reduced to take very small paper sizes, so things like coupons and receipts or business cards. It also takes very high weight originals. These devices also have a new smart operation panel, 10.1 inches, and it uses the latest version of Android. The technology is similar to that you'd expect on your mobile phones. It's capacitance touch, and that means the device is very responsive, and it has very sharp and crisp icons on the display. These devices come with a multitude of different finishing options, from traditional staple finishing to booklet making and multi-fold functionality. There's also a new 3000 sheet booklet finisher and normal finisher, which has a stapleless option available for them, and this allows customers to bind their documents together in a more environmentally friendly manner. Inside this device, we've now moved away from a traditional hard disk drive, and we have a solid state drive instead. Now, there's various benefits of a solid state drive. Several of those are the fact there's no moving parts, and that means they are far more reliable, they're a lot quieter, and actually they use about 30% less energy than a traditional hard disk drive. These devices also feature our award-winning RSI platform. This is a cloud-based system that allows us to develop apps and solutions that integrate with some traditional workflow and scanning solutions. Some of those such as DocuWare, Google and Microsoft. In order to maximise the use of our high-yield toner and to avoid unnecessary wastage, these devices also have a unique toner lock mechanism inside. And what that means is that the customer cannot replace the toner until it's been fully utilised.
Ricoh.